There's all sorts of people out there that have all sorts of ideas out there. Right now, I'm currently using this as a door for, see if I can get the whole thing in here, for this setup here. And I need to keep it be able to open it like this, so when I get my sheets of steel, I can put it in there. The reason why those buckets are there is all of them are full from dropouts inside the table from a couple months of cutting. I gotta get those into the scrap yard. But I need to come up with an idea of something that's better. Better. I thought about doing that. I came across something about welding curtains. I thought about doing welding curtains, but I don't think that's going to be a good idea. What the heck is going on the road? Oh, it was a logging company hauling a forwarder. Anyways, yeah, I need to figure that out. And then I'm going to take some uni-strut and I'm going to put the two pieces of uni-strut up there. And then I want to put a hoist, something to lift the sheets up. So, yeah, I'm not getting any younger, and neither is my wife. And I used to manhandle those all myself, and then my back got messed up, and I can put them on the table. I mean, I could easily do 3 sheets a day of steel, but let's rephrase that. I could cut 3 sheets of steel a day easily of like metal art and 3D stuff and whatnot, but my back won't let me do that. I could have my wife help me put one sheet on. I could get a sheet cut, and then I might be able to put a sheet on myself. But then I would be done. I'd just be done for the day, or however you want to put it. I'd just be done. But I just noticed my table's in there, not square anymore. Anyways, the whole purpose of this video was for like figuring out what I'm going to do with this door, because it's starting to fall apart. I got some rips. I would need to buy some new PVC. I think that corner and maybe one of the other corners has a broken elbow. But I got to figure out an idea. I don't know what I'm doing yet. And then I had somebody ask me about my elevator. It was just some pieces I had, threw it together. I'm going to redo it with some square tube, make it a little bit more sturdier. And then I'm going to get a climbing brake. I think that's what it's called. A safety catch. But it's called a climber's brake or something like that, so that it's a little bit more safer. Because if I'm on it and the winch is going up or down or whatever, and that winch fails, then I could come down and hit the ground. That would hurt. I mean, to the top of the floor up there, top of that OSB, that one is 8 foot. So I mean, it's still a pretty good drop when you're on something like that. But yeah, I got to redo the platform and whatnot, and then figure out a safety latch. But anyways, y'all have a great day. If you guys have an idea for the door, I'd like to hear it. Have a great one.